The Audi Q8 brings sleek, coupe-like styling to the large luxury SUV segment, offering a more fashionable alternative to its boxier Q7 sibling. With aggressive looks, a tech-laden interior, and refined driving dynamics, the Q8 makes a strong case for itself, if you can stomach the hefty price tag. One glance at the Q8 and it's clear this is no ordinary SUV. The massive octagonal grille, sharp LED headlights and muscular body lines give it serious road presence. Riding on standard 21-inch wheels, the Q8 has a commanding stance that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside and you're greeted by a thoroughly modern cabin packed with screens. The triple display setup includes Audi's excellent Virtual Cockpit digital gauge cluster, along with dual touchscreens for infotainment and climate controls. While the lack of physical buttons takes some getting used to, the haptic feedback helps usability. Material quality is top-notch throughout, with soft leather, brushed aluminum, and high-gloss black trim creating a premium ambience. There's ample space for 5 adults, though the sloping roofline does impact rear headroom slightly compared to the Q7. On the road, the Q8 impresses with its comfort and capability. The standard air suspension delivers a plush ride while keeping body roll in check during spirited driving. Rear-wheel steering improves low-speed manoeuvrability, making this big SUV surprisingly easy to park. Engine choices include a 3-litre turbocharged V6 in both gas and diesel flavours, paired with Audi's excellent Quattro all-wheel drive system. The diesel offers a nice balance of performance and efficiency, while the gas engine provides more urgency when needed. For the power-hungry, the SQ8 and RSQ8 models dial up the performance considerably. The Q8 can be loaded with all manner of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist that borders on semi-autonomous driving in the right conditions. A 360-degree camera system, head-up display, and Bang & Olufsen sound system are just a few of the available high-end options. One downside of the Q8's sleeker shape is reduced practicality compared to the Q7. There's no third-row seating option, and cargo space is more limited. The 605-litre boot is still quite usable, but those needing maximum utility may want to look elsewhere. The Audi Q8 successfully blends style, luxury, and technology in a compelling package. It's not the most practical choice, nor the most affordable, but it delivers on presence and refinement. For buyers prioritising design and the latest features over ultimate spaciousness, the Q8 is a standout option in the luxury SUV coupe segment. Just be prepared to pay a premium for its considerable charms.